sure he'd be very happy seeing it.
Yeah, David, is this the one that's going to Clinton?
It is. This is Clinton's SE3
Yep.
Plus.
What a beautiful job. Look at this, running a treat, Clinton.
When I get me, here we are.
Look at that.
I get my throttle control.
Beautiful action.
Down to
right down.
a nice steady tick over. I don't quite know how slow it'll go, it's only just fired up.
Oh, lovely. Look at that. Look at that.
And then we wind him up.
And wind him up. There it goes. Wow. Smooth as a nut. Lovely engine.
The exhaust plume is nice as well.
It is too, look at that. So there you are, Clinton. Working a treat.